My name is Marza, New York. I just wanted to say...
When did you arrive?
I'm sorry?
When did you arrive from New York?
Actually, I've been in Pakistan since the 14th of December, and I've been traveling between Islamabad, Rabwa, and now Qadian.
Right.
And I want to say that I am a living example of the answer of prayers, because I had no means whatsoever of coming to Jalsa other than just intent.
Right.
And in the very last moment, the intention was fulfilled by the graces of Allah.
Alhamdulillah.
I also want to say happy birthday to you. I understand you recently had a birthday.
Happy birthday. How many days after my birthday?
I don't know exactly, but I would say at a wild guess about 6 days.
Right. You know, I was born on the 18th of December. You know that?
No, I didn't,
but it was just, you guessed that perhaps I was born somewhere here.
Somewhere around there.
That's right, yes.
Actually, in Grandpa, they remember this quite well in some of
Right.
the...
Jazakumullah, normally we do not celebrate birthdays. This is one of the illustrations of culture as against religious habits. Why we do not celebrate birthdays is because to be born on a day is just an accidental thing. It does not carry any message, and it does not signify either good or evil. That child who is born on a certain date, he may grow up into a rascal, into a wicked person, into a wanton man who should have not been born if he knew, if he had any control over his own matter of his own birth. He would much rather not be born. Like Jesus Christ said, if somebody who does this, it would have been much better for him not to be born. So even that person also celebrates his birthday. So that is a strange thing. It is not, it does not coincide with human natural common sense. Again, when we consider that no prophet of God ever celebrated his birthday. No caliph of a prophet ever celebrated his birthday. Talking of the recent history of Ahmadiyya, Hazrat Masih Maud-Islam's birthday was never celebrated in his family, either by his wife, his children, or any relative, never. So how would an Ahmadi feel celebrating his own birthday when he knows that the noblest soul that was born in this age, his birthday was never celebrated. His children's birthday was never celebrated. Hazrat Muslim's birthday, I lived a long time with him, was never celebrated. So there is no sense. So because of this, going deeper into the issue, we feel that this system should be discontinued. We do not celebrate birthdays. But if somebody does, we do not consider it to be a crime. We consider it to be a folly, a mistake, a waste of time, a useless practice, but not a crime. So within these two boundaries, one should try to carve his path sensibly, and that is how sometimes cultural values clash with the religious ideology, and one prefers to be on the side of religion rather than that of the culture. But anyway, I reciprocate your wishing me well. The happy birthday is just an expression of your love and your regard for me, so I warmly return this. But with this clarification that this is not celebration of birthdays. Ahmadis should not become so over-rigid as never to say happy birthday to you. You see, that is not a celebration. So I am not condemning what you said. I am clarifying a thing which may have confused others, or if I had accepted this, thank you very much, some people might have inferred that this is, I have given them license to celebrate birthdays. You understand the point?
I will bear another message when I go back to America about birthdays. birthdays based on your discourse this time.
But still, you should permit your wife, children, friends to say happy birthday. There is no harm. God bless you.
The other thing as well,
yes.
One more. There was two Ahmadi older brothers in Rabwa that I feel obligated to convey your salams on their behalf. One is Malik Munaba Arif. He works in the Sada Anjuman.
Right.
The other is Bashir Ahmed Qadiani. They both are very aged and they couldn't come to Jalsa. Right. They gave me their warmest salams to convey to you.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakumullah asujah.
Additionally, if I could present you so humbly with just a small token of a homecoming gift to you. I know that it's been a long time since you've been to Qadian. Right. And I would like to present you with just a token of this moment in time. It's something I bought from America just because it's just a token of my love and my... Jazakumullah. God bless you. Thank you so much. And the last thing, I'll show you this last thing. If you could just give me a brief explanation what the best conduct is for a Muslim.
I couldn't follow the last bit, please. Would you repeat it?
Best conduct for what is the best conduct for?
Well, this question has already been answered. The best conduct is to follow Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is the best model. So to follow the best model is the best conduct. Jazakallah. Please. अब कोई सवाल यहाँ से